So here in the Rhine wing of the Johanniter Hospital, we have a lot of catching up to do when it comes to renovation measures, especially of the flooring. The floors in a hospital are of course subjected to heavy strain, for example when beds are pushed across the ward. A bed with a patient weighs about 300 kilograms. This means that the bed literally leaves an impression on the floor. The increased use of disinfectants also means that the floors develop cracks and sometimes even peel off. We first decided to completely replace the floor. But then we realized that a replacement would mean very high costs and that it would also massively disrupt the hospital's day-to-day routine because of the noise and emissions. We then came across the floor remake technology by Dr. Schutz and thought that this could be a renovation measure that could be carried out without disrupting the hospital's daily work. The process ran very smoothly, and the cooperation with our team was perfect. We were always able to talk over the current state of the renovation and if there were any problems, which in fact there weren't any. We decided on the colors very quickly. We selected them using a RAL card from a huge range of color options. This decision process took place in a team with the doctors and nurses. They basically chose the floor colors and designs themselves. I think that this is very important because the doctors and nurses ultimately work in this hospital on a daily basis. And they also know what the patients like and what appeals to them. One of the great advantages was the cost effectiveness. The products that we've used here are much cheaper than tearing out and replacing the floor. In addition, the renovation was carried out without producing noise, and the daily routine could continue without disturbing employees and patients.